Hello everyone, this is Midwest Washing Equipment with a quick video on a 14-foot tandem axle wash rig we just finished up. This unit has 270 gallons of raw water. We've got 100 gallons of pure water and 55 gallons of chemical. Two 7-gallon soap tanks right there. We've got the new Comet P40 for the soft wash system. This is for a drone washing operation. So we've got the Comet P40. It's ran by our Hydromixer XL. Got a pure water option right here. This is the hose for connecting to the drone. We have two high pressure reels, 1 and 2. It's for an 8-gallon a minute hot water unit right there. So you can run 8 gallons a minute or run two guns, 4 gallons a minute each. Nice big fuel tank. Diesel fired burner. Both of our pumps have our rig link, remote start stop on the engine. And then on the soft wash, on the Comet P40, we also have the engine start, stop, and then also chemical on and off. That's our rig link remote system. There's a fuse panel with a main power switch, dual battery bank, electric hose reels, 18-inch electric reels, and then our pure water system. 4-stage sediment, carbon, 2 DI resin tanks to maintain our 100-gallon pure water tank. We can spray pure water with the Comet P40. We'll also have a water-fed pole delivery pump on this rig when it's all finished up. Got a tongue-mounted toolbox up front here. Store our guns, wands, small parts. And it's a 14-foot tandem axle trailer. Got the new Comet P40 manifold on this one. These are turning out to work really well. It's got a oversized bypass hose. New design. Give us a call at 317-390-4103. We're on the internet, www.washingequip.com. Thanks for watching.